Madawalabu was social, political, economic and spiritual center for all Oromo people in 16th century. It is also center of 16th century Gada Renaissance. All Oromo clans sent their representative to Madawalabu to take anointment and blessing of the Kalu. They spread the law and the value they have learned here to the places where they have come from. This process continued until 1940s. However, the culture and the Gada system almost interrupted since then. The Arsii Oromo who are settled around Madawalabu today are using the place as one of its ceremonial ground. Arsii Oromo or sikkoo is undertaking Gada Renaissance. Accordingly, they have performed korma or kormabari ceremony, which is literally mean ceremony of daybreak bull. The ceremony we are performing here is called kormabariso ceremony. It is also called kormawalargi in some parts of the commando clans. It is performed as precondition for power transfer. It is our forefathers' culture in the Gada system. It is also prayer and blessing performed through sacrifice of a bull. It is a ceremony performed for the eve of power transfer ceremony. In Arsii Oromo culture, performing kormabariso ceremony here at Madawalabu, you should travel to Odaroba performing other ceremonies which are part of power transfer or Gada Renaissance.
Hori bariso jedhani, korma bariso jedhani, kabarin Oromo.
Kormabariso ceremony is considered as good luck for Oromo, that darkness of life broken and all closed door would be open for Oromo. We believe that this ceremony would unite Oromo people. We sacrifice a bull and bless each other. This bull is important because it is blessed by all people. It signals good luck in nation unity. Everybody would succeed in his or her field, whether it is education, economy, or peace. We bless on this bull that Waka strengthen Oromo unity, respect, and understanding. We pray so that the son respect his father, daughter respect her mother, and our norm and value respected. That is why we've sacrificed this bull. Gada system was interrupted for more than 100 years in Bale zone. Now we are restoring it. After long year interruption due to pressure from many sides, Arsii Oromo Gada system is restoring to its former position.
Aadaa tarree kuni gizee baallii fuudhan kaa'ama buttaa qalankana baallii kana fuudhuufi jilti sun godaantee bakka sanii qubatti.
Aadaa is a place where Gada assembly camped during power transfer ceremony. A hall would be built. It is largest and elongated, but its roof is connected. It would have many doors. Both the Gada who transfer power and who take power would tie a bull on the gate of their room in the hall. On the morning of power transfer day, they would sacrifice a bull, which is called Butakalu ceremony. They would chant a song, perform prayer and blessing. They transfer power. This place is a place where Arsii Oromo perform power transfer ceremony.
Aadaa tarree jechuun qubtii jechuudha. Jilli tokko yoo eebbaaf haa bahu, haaromsa sirna Gadaatiif haa bahu, yeroo duraa dhufu hin qubata.
Aadaa is a camping place. Gada assembly should camp whether it is camp for prayer or power transfer. They go to blessing place from this camping area. We first settle at Aadaa and ask each other about our forefathers' prayer area. Then we move to Oda Murti for prayer. The Kormabari ceremony starts early morning when the birds start singing. People of the area come to the ceremony place early morning for they have innate interest to develop their culture. The ceremony started by elders blessing.
Gada bochi nages, Gada nages, Rabadori nages, sikkoo mandoo nages, kuusaa dabbalee nages, annaa sorra nages, sabbuu goona nages, machaa tuulama nages, dura nu oolchi, irra nu oolchi, mirga nu oolchi mirgitti yaa rabbi nuu kenni barcumaa kenna yaa rabbi nuu godhi abbaa barcumaa irra deebis haadha gulantaa irra deebis
kormi ambaala muusitti moohi kormi kan kee haa bookkisu
ka gaafa kormaa mataa qabu ta'a ka gaafin hin dandeenye ta'a ka kallacha addaa qabu ta'a kallacha diinni duran dhaabanne ta'a ka dhugoo addaa qabu ta'a ka dhugaa dubbatu ta'a ijji teessan biiftuu haa taatu arrabi keessan xiyya haa ta'u garaan keessan aanan haa ta'u diinni keessan jirma jige haa ta'u diinni keessan jirma jige haa ta'u odaa ta'a jala furdadhaa irra dagaagaa sa'aa namaa horaa akka kormaa baroodaa akka leencaa aadaa ijji teessan biiftuu haa taatu arrabi keessan xiyya haa ta'u garaan keessan aanan haa ta'u.
The blessing is all about unity, strength, peace, sustenance, and value of Oromo people. The youth have also participated on the ceremony so that they learn and inherit their fathers' and forefathers' culture, which were almost interrupted for centuries. The blessing is important for the luck and the sustenance of Oromo people. The Gada system would sustain. The Oromo would be united. Oromo would be father on its own land. Korma Bariso would be daybreak for Oromo people. It would be as nightfall for enemy of Oromo. It is a sacrifice.
Sirna gadaa kana akka dhala dhuftuu fi inni baratu akka dhalti dhuftu barattu akka iddoon kun beekamu.
We are working to teach the new generation about Gada system and promoting these ceremonial grounds. Gada system is a system of unity, equality, and it is a system that can hold nations, nationalities, peoples with love, mutual benefit and understanding, and promote peaceful coexistence. We are telling them that Gada is a system that can properly promote Oromo culture. We are teaching them social law, constitution, and the law of arsii or women rights.
Dhaloota kana wannan isa dhaamuu barbaadu. Dhalooti kun hanga dandahame maraanu sirni gadaa yeroo ammaa kana qabeenya addunyaa jedhamee fudhatamee jira. Sirna gadaa namni akka gowwummaatitti lakkaa'u yoo ka jiru taate namicha santu gowwaa. Maaliif uummata qaroomeedha sirna gadaa akka tume. Odoo uummata qaroome hin ta'ini uummanni addunyaa ka qaroome kuni kiyya jedheen fudhatu.
Young generation should learn this system as much as possible. Gada system has been accepted as world heritage. If there is a person who thinks that practicing Gada as foolishness, he is absolutely fool, because Gada system is developed by civilized people. If not, the civilized world wouldn't accept it as it is own civilization today. It wouldn't be inscribed on UNESCO World Heritage. Imagine that it is not something tangible. It is simple to recognize tangible heritage like stone curve and building. This one is idea. It is just theory. You should be convinced to accept theory. The modern democracy is developed from the Gada system that is developed by our forefathers. Still, Gada system is original and organic. It has no conspiracy and deception. Religion and politics is separated in the Gada system. Religion never interferes in the affairs of government, but there is a circumstances in which religion keeps the government in check. For example, if a Bagada tried to stick to power like that of current politicians, the Kalu or religious leader never allow him because it is against culture and value. He never tolerates even for a night. In arsii Oromo ceremonies, there is oral process. The ceremony conductors evaluate the process and ask for what is fulfilled and what's not fulfilled to proceed to the next process.
Aadaa shanan
Aadaa baalliitti walirraa
fuut
tatarree qubatte
hubatte
buttaa qaltu
qaltu
harma galma ijaarrattee naafi naqattee haalli itti walirraa fuut aadaa tiyyata addaan citte ka waggaa dhibbaa ol addaan citte ka karee siini balleesse akka sunsuma isii deebisuun bahe maarra saniif bahe aadaa tiyyaa bahe duudhaa tiyyaa bahe ilaa jedhe.
The ceremony has its own process. It is performed by the Bultuma and the Birmaji Gada party. The reason is they are the political parties that transfer power and that take power. Gada system is interrupted for long period of time in many parts of Arsii Oromo lands. However, there are places where Gada system practiced till now separately. All Arsii Oromo have taken their experience in the current Gada renaissance. The elders know that on home political party that Gada system is interrupted. Now the Gada round is on Bultuma Gada party in those places where Gada system is active. All Arsii Oromo clans are adjusting themselves to this circle.
Gada Birmaji irratti akka sikkoo mandootitti ka weerare gadaan Birmaji yeroo isaa fixate irra deebi'uu hin danda'u sun carraasaati amma katti aanu Gada Bultumaati amma ka jiru.
Gada system was interrupted during Birmaji Gada party ruling term. Now Birmaji Gada party is completed in its term. It can't repeat. That is the chance. Now the round is that of Bultuma. Therefore Bultuma Gada party will take the power. Bultuma Gada party will take power both here at Madolabu and at Odaroba. Knowledge of Gada system might be eroded for the fact that Gada system is interrupted for a long year. However, the elders doesn't bother that much to restore Gada system.
Dhugaadha haga addaan cite turee jira. Wanni addaan cite tokko deebisanii walitti erbuudhaaf rakkoo guddaadha ka nama barbaachisu. Haa ta'u sirni Gadaa Oromoo keessa
it is obvious that Gada has been interrupted for a long year. It is difficult to restore after such a long time. However, there is Gada system among Oromo clans. In the last Naftanya reigns, practicing Gada system was declared crime. Performing Gada ceremony was prohibited. You would be imprisoned and tortured for practicing your culture. Many Abba Gada and Kalu were imprisoned. For example, Gada system in Madawola was interrupted during Birmaji Gada party term in 1896, but it wasn't destroyed at all. When they prohibit practical Gada system, Oromo kept its theory in its mind. Gada is blade and the bone for Oromo. We were imprisoned and tortured, hiding it in our mind. We have been migrated, keeping it in our mind. It is found in all Oromo's blood cells. We are practicing what we have kept in our blood for centuries. Gada assembly traveled to Odamurti after getting assured of preconditions fulfillment. They travel in queue. The queue is arranged in order of Gada party seniority. Women go in front of Abba Gadas to the left side with chicho and sikkoo in their hand. The assemblers chant a cultural song. When they reach Odamurti, they circle the Oda and sit in a circular form. Women have special place in this ceremony. They are the one who bring miju, beverage and food stuffs for the ceremony. They are also part of the ceremony. They have their own power to ensure check and balance. Even the ceremony can't be performed without them. Women have greater role in the Gada system. The two bigger institutions in the Gada system is Sikkoo and Kalu. Sikkoo is a respected institution. there is nothing performed without sikkoo. If you have seen who is going in front of a bagada is woman, sikkoo. Woman has respect and the woman is sacred. Oromo believe that women are rightful. Gada decides about women without asking for witness. This is what makes Gada system different from other laws on the land. Sexual harassment is highly prohibited. Women can nullify any decision of a bagada just simply by her sikkoo. An Oromo army can't go war front unless women pass them under sikkoo. Let me raise one example. In 16th century, thousands of Oromo army organized to defend Oromo land from Islam and the Christian forces were gone under sikkoo to launch the offense war. This means women have a veto power.